Good morning, children. Myself, Veena Bharti, your reasoning teacher from the Pentecostal Assembly School. Dear children, in your previous class, I have taught you about Chapter 1, Patterns. In your previous class, you have seen different types of questions based on different patterns. So in our today's class, we will continue the same chapter, Patterns, and I am going to show you or solve some few more questions for you based on different patterns. So let's start. Today I am going to solve question number 12. Here you can see on the board I have drawn the similar picture which is given in your book, page number 8. In question number 12 you can see you can find the same picture in your book too. We have to follow the pattern used in this picture to complete this part of this square. This is a big square. This is a big square in which you can see there are 4 small squares, and in each square there is a certain design. There is a certain design or pattern which is following. So we have to follow the same pattern to complete this figure. Here you can see that the diagonals are joined. This diagonal, if we will join this diagonal from here, it will not follow the same pattern. So what will we do? We will join this diagonal and this diagonal. So we are this vertex of this square. So you can see that our pattern is completing. So next one is, you can see that there is a small line also after this big line. So our next pattern is like this. You can see the same pattern is following in the other parts of these small squares. Again you can see that there is a small square drawn after these 2 lines. So we also need a picture of a small square here to follow the same pattern and complete this figure. Now the next one is, you can see that these are sector of a circle. So to follow the same pattern, you will also draw 2 sectors simultaneously like this. And again you can see there is when we will follow the same pattern, we will find that it will create a circle. So you will draw here like this, and there is a C kind of design made inside the figure. So this is the required pattern that we all need to complete this figure. So what will be your answer for question number 12? In which option you will get this design? This design, you can draw it like this. One square, and then in which of the option you will find this design? You can see that in option number B, you will get this pattern to follow this figure. So our answer for question number 12 is option B. Option B will be your answer for question number 12. Okay children, now moving towards question number 14. In question number 14, let me clean the board first. Yes. have to find the missing figure. Question number 14. Here you can see that in question number 14 there are few figures given in question number 14, and in each figure there is a number 8, 7, 6, blank, 4, 3. 8, 7, 6, dash, 4 and 3. You can see that in number 8, the figure drawn is having 8 sides. It's having 8 sides. So the figure is like this. In question number 7, you can see that the figure is having 7 sides. Similarly, in question number 14, you can see that in number 6 box, the figure is containing 6 sides. So you can also see that the number is decreasing by 1. 8 minus 1, 7. 7 minus 1, 6. So what will be here? 6 minus 1. The number here is 5. So in which option you will get number 5? In option B. Here is, you can see in question number 14, option B. 5 is the number, and you can see that 5 sides are drawn in each option. But the required number is number 5. So what will be our answer? Our answer will be option B. 14. Option B. 5 is your required answer. Okay children, is it clear to all of you? Now moving towards the next question. Now I am going to solve other question, that is question number 16. Now children, you will do question number 13, question number 15 at your home. Okay? These are based on the same pattern that I have solved just now. So you will solve these question number 13 and 15 at your home. Now come to question number 16. Here you can see which figure comes next in the given figure pattern. There is a figure pattern in question number 16. You can see there is a basketball, baseball, cricket ball and football. There are 4 balls used in this question in a pattern. The first pattern is basketball, after that baseball, cricket ball and football. Again it is repeating. Basketball, baseball, cricket ball, football. Again you will repeat the same pattern. Basketball and the next one will be baseball. So in which option you can find baseball? In option A. It is just an oral question. 16, option A. In option A you will find baseball. So the answer for question number 16 is option A. Again children, now I am going to solve question number, question number 17 you will do at your home, and 18 number question is just similar to question number 12. So you will follow the same pattern to complete this question. Now come to question number 19. Question number 19. In question number 19, you can see that there are certain numbers. What are they? Find the missing number in the given number series. There is, in question number 19, there is a series of numbers given. A series of numbers. And you can see that the number series is given in decreasing order. In decreasing order, that means in descending order. 52 minus 5 is 47 and 47 minus 5 will be, what will be your answer? 47 minus 5, that is 42. 42. So here in option number A, you can see 42. That is your answer for question number 19. Option A. Option A is your answer, 42. Okay, children? Okay, children. Now come to question number 20. Question number 20. How many teddies will be there in pattern 6? You can see that in question number 20 of your book, you can see there are the few pictures of teddies. In pattern 1, there are 3 teddies. In pattern 2, if you will count, you can find that there is 6 teddies. And in pattern 3, there is 9 teddies. Pattern 1, 3 teddies. Pattern 2, 6 teddies. In pattern 3, there is 9 teddies. So what will be in pattern 4, pattern 5 and in pattern 6? You can see that the number of teddies is increasing by 3. In pattern 1, there is 3 teddies. In pattern 2, there is 3 more, 6. In pattern 3, there is 3 more. Then again in pattern 4, there will be again plus 3. 9 plus 3 equals to 12. Again, we will follow the same pattern. 12 plus 3, that is 15. And your question is asked about pattern 6. So in pattern 6, what will be the number of teddies? The number of teddies in pattern 6 is 15 plus 3, that is 18. So in option number D, you can see the number 18. So what will be your answer for question number 20? Your answer will be option D, 18. Okay, children? Okay, children. Now you will do the next question by yourself. Now I am going to solve question number 24. The next question you will do at your home following the same patterns that I have taught you just now. In question number 24, you can see find the missing number in the given number series. Again, you have to find the missing number given in the number series. Again, you can see that certain numbers are given in question number 24, and these numbers are given in certain pattern. 150, 135, 120, 105, 90, 75. Then what will be your next number? You can see that this number series is based on certain patterns. Again, you can see that these numbers are given in decreasing order. It means in descending order. And what is the difference between each number? The first to second, there is a difference of 15. Again, there is a difference of 15. 150 minus 15 is equals to 135. 135 minus 15 is equals to 120. 120 minus 15 is equals to 105. 105 minus 15 is equals to 90. So, you will follow the same pattern to find your desired answer. 90 minus 15 is equal to 75. So, what will be our answer? What will be your answer? 75 minus 15 is equal to 60. So, the required number is 60. Where, in which option you will find 60? In option D, you can see that the number 60 is given. So, the required number of this number series is option D, 60. Isn't okay, children? So, children, today we have done few questions based on different patterns. Some are in descending orders with number series, missing number series, and in some in some question you have to follow certain pattern to complete a figure, and in few questions you have to find the pattern. You have to catch the pattern to follow the next one. So, in the same way, you will do the rest question also. Children, I hope that you will like this video and you will also do the rest question in your home. Till then, keep learning. Thank you.